Balance training, stepping into stability. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, balance training. This concept is not just about physical balance, but it also carries significant meaning in various aspects of our lives. Let's dive in and understand what balance training really means. Before we delve into balance training, it's crucial to understand what balance means. Balance, in the most general sense, refers to a state of equilibrium or stability. It can be physical, like when you stand on one leg without falling, or metaphorical, like maintaining a balance between work and leisure. In our context, balance is about maintaining physical stability. Now, let's talk about training. Training involves practicing and developing skills. It's about learning and improving. When we combine this with balance, we get a clearer picture of what balance training entails. So, what exactly is balance training? It's a form of exercise or activity that challenges your ability to stay upright and maintain stability. This could be through standing on one leg, walking on a balance beam, or using special equipment like a balance ball. It's not just for athletes. It's beneficial for everyone to improve coordination, prevent falls, and enhance overall physical health. Balance training goes beyond just physical health. It also symbolizes the importance of creating stability in our lives. Just like how we train our bodies to maintain physical balance, we need to train ourselves to find a healthy balance in our lives, like balancing work and relaxation, social life and solitude. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing concept of balance training. Remember, whether it's about improving your physical balance or finding the right balance in your daily life, it's all about training and practice. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay balanced and keep learning.